Take me high.
Hey followers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and this video is all about my lashes. Okay, so I'm basically going to show you guys how to apply falsies. And this is how I apply them. So today we're going to be using the Violet Voss lashes. I got these from Ricky's. They were actually half off, so these say 12, but they were really $6. I got them on sale, and this is the Black Magic ones. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is we're going to put mascara on our lashes, bottom and top. And I'm using my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. One of the best mascaras on the planet. I hate my mascara face. So here is the lash. The lash is ready. I'm using my tweezer. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I usually do not use tweezers to do my lashes. I usually do my hands. So I'm gonna do one lash with my hand, one lash with tweezer. You're supposed to use eyelash glue. So this is the eyelash glue. This is I Envy by Kiss eyelash glue. I don't use that though. Don't do this. Use the eyelash glue, y'all. Don't do this. I use hair glue, 30-second hair glue. Y'all, it's just better for me. It just lasts longer. Now, instead of coming in with the lash straight, you want to come above. You see, not like this, but like this. All right. Make sure my crazy scraggly hairs ain't all over the place. So you just come up at a tilted angle. I usually make sure the center is secure, and then I do the corners. So once it's on, this is something that I do. I take my tweezer or my finger, which you'll see on the other side, and I just clamp it together. So that is the perfect eyelash. Alright, so now to the other lash. We're going to do the same thing that we did on the right eye, on the left eye. However, we're going to use our fingers. Now, for me, the finger is easy. The hands are easier. Voila. Alright, it's on there, and then we just gonna make sure that we're above the lash, like you see, and you want to press each section in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now all I do now is I just go back in with the mascara under the lash, just to make sure it's nice and seamless. You can't see my lash and the falsies. I'll put a little bit more on the line. Alright y'all, and that's it. That's a wrap. My falsies are on. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more quick, easy makeup tutorials like this, yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know, you already know, you already know. What up? Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom because a flower is the soul blossoming in nature. Mwah.